the gateway to your brighter future. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey of self-discovery and growth? With Aurora Senior High School, the possibilities are endless.
Aurora Senior High School is not just about academics. It's about unlocking your potential, exploring your passion, and preparing for the challenges for tomorrow. Sa Aurora Senior High School, hindi ka mag-iisa. We believe in teamwork and camaraderie.
That's right. Here at Aurora Senior High School, we build strong connection between students and teachers. We value respect, understanding, and open communication.
Our teachers are here to guide you from every step of the way, from hands-on experience, personal guidance, and to ensure that you receive the attention and resources you need to succeed.
In senior high school, you have the opportunity to deep dive in the subject that interests you the most, whether it's arts, science, business, technology, and even dressmaking. In short, there's a track for everyone. Now, be Asians.
As you journey through Aurora Senior High School, you not only acquire knowledge but also essential skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and leadership.
Sa Aurora Senior High School, we believe that every student has the potential to shine bright.
Tara na sa Aurora Senior High School at maging bahagi ng isang masiglang komunidad ng mag-aaral.